Hey guys, Shax here, and in this video, I'll show you how to cancel premium on Revolut. First things first, open the Revolut app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. This ensures that you have access to all the latest features. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Once you are on the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and a new menu will open up. Inside this menu, tap on the Standard Plan or the Current Plan button at the top and your selected plan will then open up for you to view. Now, you just need to tap on the Upgrade button located on top. From this page, you will have the option to cancel your plan. Simply select the Cancel option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the cancellation process. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.